Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing low-light video from the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. Both cameras were recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, with the electronic image stabilization turned on. Low light sets some challenges for the electronic image stabilization. Both cameras address these challenges in different ways. The GoPro reduces the amount of stabilization applied, in order to reduce the motion blur on the lights. The DJI on the other side maximizes the stabilization and as a trade-off, allows more motion blur. In my opinion, none of the results is awesome, and it was also not to be expected, given the size of the sensors built in these cameras. Which one do you prefer, when it comes to low-light results? The GoPro or the DJI? Leave your comment below. Both cameras are often referred to as gimbal killers. I can in some degree agree with that, under good light conditions. I think that in bad light both of them really benefit if used together with a gimbal. See for yourself.